Hello guys, there will be a lot of talking in this video. I didn't really use many sound effects or music at all, so I'm just giving you a heads up before you watch. But I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And at this very point, y'all, I decided to add a song. Well, it's not really much of a song, but it is like some music. I was like, and I just told them I wasn't going to use any sound effects or music, but I decided to because it would have been kind of hard to just watch a silent video. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.